not recording. I'm not sure if it's going to film this thing, but it seemed like it worked okay, because I think I earlier said use map offline when I had the directions to the guest house. So it's all seemed to work. I'm just there at the bottom left, second road right down, blah blah. So all should be easy enough. Second right, turn left at the school. Second right, turn left at the school, and then sort of first right. Okay, off we go. Second right, turn left at the school. Just sort of an easy, uneventful kind of ride in. Was that one? I'm sort of in the middle of the road, but oh, come on, I'm on a bit of a backward incline, so I've got to put it into gear to stop it. Geez, go into gear. Yeah, so I must turn right there, and then around a roundabout, left at the school. Okay, a little bit of a maneuver to get back there. Can't wait to have my bloody GPS system up and running. Okay, push myself backwards, bit of a turn. Bit of sand. Jesus, you see? That is sand, damn it! It's this, man! Jesus, I really hope I'm going the right way, yeah? Bloody. Anyway, this last bit of direction stuff is okay. I'm right. Just keep going straight. I hope there's going to be another route around that's on tar. Look, it's easier, of course, when you're not loaded either, as well. Much happier riding on this stuff. The cars would be much happier on the sand, I guess, but I'll vote for this stuff. Okay, I think this is the school. So we're going to pull a left over here. Sand, squirming sand, squirming sand. Oh, squirming sand. Stop in this shade over here. Keep off the sand. Stop in the shade. Nicely. Okay, they didn't tell me Rundu's made of sand. Guys, you didn't help me. Okay, I'm going the right way. The road's going to bend to the right. First right. After that, and then basically go straight. Get this phone into the pocket, blah blah. Hey. Okay, here we go. Romanus Kamonoko Secondary School. I'll bend to the right. There, I guess, first road right, somewhere. It's bloody filming. Yeah. Okay, could be here. Millennium Guest House. Phone out. Jeez, temperature's right up for the bike now, eh? As soon as you go slow like this. Yeah, turn right. Keep on going. See, the temperature's like halfway up. the dial. As soon as you slow down you can feel the heat, but travelling at the speed it was comfortable. Maybe also because now I'm turning to face the sun. I think this is the place at the end here. Hopefully that white thing. Yeah, I think so, because there's a double story there. Millennium, Freedom, Millennium Guest House. Is this it? .com? I think it is. Toodly toot. Looks very much like it from the pictures over there. So I'm going to open. Okay, well I'll switch off. I think we're at the right place.